This video will show you how to replace the mirror switch on a Ford Transit-250. This will be mounted to the driver's side of your dash. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To replace the mirror switch, we're going to carefully take hold of the mirror switch, pull it out and away. To remove the mirror switch, if you find you cannot take hold of it and pull it out by hand, we can carefully pry it out of place. I'm just using a small pocket screwdriver. I'll make my way in between this area along the top. Now, as it pulls away, I need to gently roll it out of position. You can see it's down at an angle here. Now we can see our electrical connector. As far as this electrical connector, we do have one locking tab area. I'm just using that small pocket screwdriver to make my way in between. And then I'm going to gently pry to separate the electrical connector from the switch itself. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any part, we need to, of course, clean and inspect our mounting areas. First, we'll start with our electrical connector. Confirm you do not see any corrosion. Aside from that, a quick look at our plastic dash to confirm it's not damaged in any way. Now it's time to install that mirror switch. Let's start with the electrical connector. We're going to align our locking tab. We'll press it in, listen for a click here. After an audible click, a light tug confirming it's properly secured. Let's bring this over towards the dash. Now, just as during the removal process, we removed it at an angle, we're installing it at an angle. Start sliding it in towards the dash. We'll make sure we have it in the proper orientation. Press it all the way towards the dash and double check to make sure it's properly secured in place. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our vehicle's mirror switch. Now the next thing we want to do is put the key in the on position and test the functionality by aiming the mirrors to your preference. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.